Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to connect Bluetooth headphones or earphones to your Android phone. Let's get into the method. Firstly, open the main settings app and then tap into the search bar at the top and type in Bluetooth. Tap on the top search result and then you may need to tap on Bluetooth again until you get to the page where you can turn it on. Turn on Bluetooth with the toggle switch if it isn't on already, and now wait a few seconds. Switch your attention to your Bluetooth headphones or earphones and you need to get them into pairing mode. The method to do this can differ on each device. On some there will be a pair button, and other devices will require you to hold down the power button for a long time. A light might start flashing indicating that it's pairing. Check online or in the product manual for your device's pairing method if you're not sure. Back on your phone, find your device on the list. It may take a few seconds to show up. If it doesn't, you may need to tap on Scan or the Pair New Device button. Once you see your device in the Available Devices section, tap on it and wait a few seconds for it to connect. You may need to tap on Pair to confirm the connection. They should now connect, and if you tap on them here, you can change related settings. So check all these options look correct. You might need to find a connected devices section of the settings, so search for this if you can't tap on your headphones here. These settings on your headphones page can differ on each device. This is also where you can disconnect or forget the device if you wanted to. You can now try them out and check they are working. You might want to head to the sound settings or the audio accessibility settings to change how they sound. That's how to connect Bluetooth headphones or earphones to your Android phone. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Android device. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.